guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Krutika and you're watching Unstoppable Girl. So if you're new to my channel, then hit that subscribe button and make it great. Also hit that little bell icon too. Every time I post a new video, you'll get the notification. So this video is all about the donut eye look makeup. If you want to know how I'll do this makeup look or this eye look, so keep on watching till the end. So without any further ado, let's get started. So starting with vitamin C serum, I'm using all over my face to prep my skin before makeup. Now I'm using my fingers only to dab it into my skin, as you can see. Now I'm using a primer from Inside Cosmetics, as now and then I'll do the makeup and I got so much open pores. To clog them and stop the makeup products go inside, I'll use primer around my T-zone area. Now after that I'm using foundation. This is from Maybelline Superstay. It's a little lighter than my skin tone, but it will be merged out to my skin tone only. Because of weather, my skin tends to like oxidize and my makeup runs away, so I'll use a little lighter shade than that, so if it oxidizes it get to my near skin tone. Now I'm setting with Maybelline Me compact powder in the shade Natural Ivory. I'll just recently using this and so far I'm loving it. I'll just trust it all over my face to set my foundation. Now I'm using concealer from Swiss Beauty and just applying all over my eyelids because I'm doing a little heavy makeup colors onto my eyelids, so I'm just prepping it nicely so every color pops out. Now I'm using Hilary Rhoda's palette in the shade 02 and using the deepest pink over my crease area and just blending it out little. Realizing that I forgot to put tape, so I'll put some tape and blending. Now I'm using little concealer and giving a cut crease, and in my previous video I have taught how to do cut crease and I make sure that to add it in my eye button above, so do check out that video to get cut crease idea. I'll just sloping down a little lighter pink shade and covering that area with that. Now I'm using little shimmer and pink shade and just brighten up my inner lid corners. Now I'm doing a liner, a simple wing liner, as I'm using tape so it become very easy. Now I'm using Wet n Wild pencil in the shade Coal White. Now putting with a little pencil brush or a detailing brush, I'm putting some of the decoration which is topped on donuts. Now I'm using a brow pencil to just comb my brows because I have already have a thick eyebrows. Now I'm using little color in pinkish shade on my lower lash line and using this little blue shade underneath my eyes to give a sweeter look, as the donut has multiple colors. So I'll just smoke it out little. Now I'm just curling my lashes with the eyelash curler. This is from Vega. Now just top it with my mascara to give a fuller length to my lashes. Now adding little drama with this falsies, as you can see how much volume it gives to my lashes. Now I'm using a little contouring with the help of Sugar palette. This is Subtle Summit, and using that only I'll just contouring my nose like this, you can see, and little blush as I already put so much pinkish color on my lids, so just using little. Now I'm highlighting my face with the same palette, just using little, yeah, that's little only. Just highlighting my cheekbones and other highlighting areas such as nose and little forehead. Now I'm lip lining with my pencil. This is in the nudish pink and using the lipstick from Miss Claire Chubby Stick. And yeah, it's done. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can watch my other videos. You can click the button over here and down your views on this makeup look in the comment box and let me know which new looks should I create next. So until next time, bye bye.